Hi and welcome. Today I'm just going to go for a walk along the beach searching for some gemstones. I thought that'd be a nice change, so come along with me and let's see what we find. It's pretty calm out here. There's not too much wind. It's not too cold, not too warm. And here all the rocks being tumbled by the ocean. It's so beautiful. What's that? Oh wow. The patterns in this piece are beautiful. Oh, it's even better on the other side. I'll be keeping this. This is nice. I believe this is quartzite. I don't know if it's visible on the camera, but quartzite has kind of a grainy look to it. Okay, see, this is one I'll keep. Okay, I spot something, but I don't want to get wet. Got it. I spot something. Oh. Okay, I love this. I love the banding through it. Wow. What's this? That looks like it's petrified wood. I love this. That's interesting. Wow. Bit of a mash-up between rocks going on here. It's really awesome though, really unique. Actually just spotted something else. Wow. All sorts of interesting pieces. Oh, water. Oh, this is nice too. I think I spot some epidote. Some quartz veins through it. Oh, I love epidote. I actually remember the first time I ever came here, I was so overwhelmed because there's so many beautiful stones. I came home with like my pockets absolutely full, only to realise that when they dried they didn't look the same. This was back before I started tumbling rocks. Oh, yeah, that's awesome. It's amazing. Whoa. I want to know the story behind how this became the way it is. Wow. So yeah, now I'm a little bit more picky with what I do keep. Another epidote pebble. Okay, well, that is really cool. That is beautiful. Can you see it? Whoa, that's cool. This be sea glass. Doesn't have the typical texture of sea glass. Okay, that's really amazing. I spot something spotty. Oh wow, it looks cool, very unique. Very pretty. But, oh, I love this too. I will keep this though. I'm wanting to make another necklace with a milky white stone. Interesting. Huh. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my gosh. Oh, I love that. Wow. That's beautiful. Definite keeper. Okay, so I'm gonna start heading back towards my car now. It turns out I've been out here for an hour already. So, time to start walking back towards the car. I'll still film if I find anything along the way. So yeah, let's see, and then I'll probably just stack the stones up so I can show you all and make the tough decision of what to keep and what not to keep. Oh wow, that's pretty. Lots going on here. Another keeper. Maybe. I'll decide at the end. Slightly like grey. Whoa, there's bits of like a pinky colour on this. Fascinating. I spot red. That's a neat jasper with beautiful vein through it. Like an orangish jasper. Take both of those. Ooh, so perfect. Wow, I love that. That's nice. Beautiful and white. I'll keep this. Maybe. Okay, I'm starting to think I may have walked past the exit while I wasn't paying attention. I did. Okay. Oops. You can see a bit of driftwood up there that I'll lay them out on. So I can show you all the pebbles I collected all together. This gravel is so good. going to grab all those rocks out and line them up on this piece of driftwood. I need to flip this one. Simply incredible. Okay, now the tough decision. What ones do I keep and what ones do I leave here? I'll choose the ones I'll leave here first. Yay! It's been a good day. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really do enjoy this video, I'll try to do some more like this. It was a really nice experiment and I enjoyed going along and recording the journey, and I hope you did too. See you next time. Bye.